In this video, we'll show you how to install the ink tanks. Begin by opening the scanning unit. Don't touch the printhead holder until it stops completely. Peel the protective tape off the ink tank. Be careful not to leave any residue on the Y-shaped air hole. Gently remove the orange cap. Be careful not to touch these parts of the ink tank. Insert and push down on the ink tank. Continue installing by matching the ink label colors. Insert the ink tank and push down until you hear a click. The color of the installed ink tank will appear on the screen. Continue installing the ink tanks for the remaining colors. Check that all the colors appear on the screen. Close the scanning unit cover. The installation of the ink tanks is now complete. Thank you for watching.